Sino-sinong baklas ang kumanta ng hits ni Whitney Houston? Teka. Parang baba mo na yan.
Excited ako.
Tandaan mo ha, 50 seconds lang to cut each wire.
Okay, very excited naman do.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
50 seconds and cut it, Mikey.
Sino-sino ang kumanta ng mga hit songs ni Whitney? Red?
Cut it.
Backlash?
Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Cut it.
Uy!
Putulin.
2, 1. Your answer is correct. Yes.
Alam mo, pag naubos yung 50 seconds, kahit tama yung sagot mo, tasabog ka.
Sasabog. Okay, sorry po.
Okay.
Sorry po.
I will always like, thank you, Backlash Raven.
Thank you.
Whitney Houston yan. Okay.
Ilan po ulit yung mali? Ilan yung mali?
Kahit
Dito.
yung color na lang.
Okay.
Okay?
Dalawa ang mali.
Huwag mong galawin yan, baka sumabot. Okay. Ready. Next choice. Mikey, cut it.
Let's go to Whitney. Blue!
Blue.
3, 2, 1. Your answer is...
It's all coming back to me now? Para sino kumanta nun, Eko?
Kapatid po ni Elton John.
Sino?
Celine John.
Dion John!
Kapatid ni Elton John ang kumanta nun.
With Celine John.
Si Celine John. Sinyori, sino kumanta nun?
Whitney Houston.
Yun, didn't we almost have it all? Si EJ.
Whitney Houston bossing.
Yes. Whitney Houston. Eh, kayo po na.
Paborito po ng Dabber Cats. Beyonce knows.
Si Beyonce.
Si ano?
Si Beyonce. Eto si Ina.
Brand to you ni Whitney Houston. Ganon.
Oh.
Sayang.
Sayang. Di bale, Mikey?